Founded in St. Louis in 1976, Pasco is now a certified servicing integrator for Fanuc Robotics and has exclusively integrated Fanuc robots since 2004. The palletizing system in this video utilizes a Fanuc M410IC 185 kilogram robotic arm to simultaneously palletize cases and pails. The Pasco designed end-of-arm tool utilizes vacuum technology to permit the handling of different package types with no change in tooling. An automatic pallet dispenser supplies empty pallets to the loading conveyor. There are two independent product infeed lines, one for case pack products and the other for 2 1/2 and 5-gallon pails. The pick conveyors have dynamic pneumatic squaring to ensure consistent picks. The robot picks up the 4 products at once and can place products either individually or simultaneously. The multi-zoned vacuum end-of-arm tool services both lines simultaneously. Full pallets discharge to a single main trunk line and are transferred to a stretch wrapper for a single point of pickup. Every automation system we design and build is custom. When we build a system, we bring together just the right components and integrate them seamlessly with your people, processes, and practices. It's an approach we've taken in our family-owned and operated company since 1976. Call us with your packaging automation questions, and we promise that you'll talk to someone who can solve even your most complex packaging problems. Simply put, our system will do its job so that you can do yours. That's our promise to you, and the strength behind the phrase. Relax, it's a Pasco.